Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for being here today. We have Allure. It is our May box, so let's get in and check it out. If you are new to Allure, it is a beauty box, the Allure beauty box. It is $23 per month. If you pay month over month, you can get it for less than that if you sign up for extended periods of time. You will have, I think they say 3 full-size products and greater than a $100 value. The last few months, I have been super happy with it. This is the one that I told you last month. I order through Amazon, and I will put my affiliate link for Amazon to this down below in case you have any interest in going over and checking it out. I signed up originally through Amazon because I was getting it from Allure, and I discovered when I did it through Amazon, I got the box more quickly, so that worked for me. That is the pamphlet that comes inside. So that is why I started doing Amazon, and now I don't have to think about it. If you can work out the dates, you can go over and see what's going to be in it before it ships, so you can cancel it if you don't want it that month, but it is an affiliate link. This is what we have in the box. And then inside the pamphlet, we have all of the information, no cheating, on the products that are going to be in the box. It used to be really cute. They used to be written from the perspective of the editor or whomever they gave it to at the company to try it. Now they just give us the information, so it's difficult for me to do my dramatic readings, which I loved to do, but let's dig in and see what I can do with it. Okay, first out of the box, we have Avant. This is one of those brands that's super pricey, so they put it in boxes to plump up the price of the box, but I have liked a couple of the products. This is the Collagen Intense Radiance Activator Serum, and it is 1.01 ounces. That is what it looks like. Avant Collagen Intense Radiance Activator Serum. Why, you'll love it. The laundry list of ingredients displayed on the tube may be a little incomprehensible without a chemistry degree, but there's a reason they're front and center. This smoothing, plumping serum is packed with tried and true star ingredients. Hydrolyzed collagen is one of the rare ingredients that can help firm, lecithin moisturizes by forming a fatty acid barrier over the skin's surface. Trouvailles pulls water into the skin to make it softer and more radiant. And niacinamide is brilliant at strengthening the moisture barrier while calming your complexion. And 30 ml, yeah, this is full-sized and it has a $125 value. Like I said, that's why they put things like this in the box. It really plumps that value up there. There doesn't seem to be anything in it that I can't use. So it is sealed. Let's check it out. It's just basically like a white lotion. That is what it looks like. Oh, it's clean. It's very fresh and lotiony and just kind of has a lotion scent. I put way too much on the back of my hand. Let's see how it absorbs, but I like the scent of it very much. I've been using my City Beauty for a lot of my skincare, but this might be something that I try in the evenings. I like that. It is absorbing nicely into my hand. Okay, next out we have a Pyeongkang Yule Essence Toner. And I would say this is definitely a trial size. That is what it looks like. This is the Pyeongkang Yule Essence Toner. Why, you'll love it. This waterless essence is delicate but potent. The hydrating formula goes on super thin, so it's perfect for layering under the rest of your skincare. The elegant texture also makes a perfect hydrator for muggy spring days and hot, humid summer months. And it still manages to make skin soft and hydrated with a subtle glow. It is $19 for 200 mLs. We have 30 mL, so this is about 1/7. So I would say this is about $2.50 worth. It has very few ingredients, and none are ingredients that I can't use that I can tell. So we'll put it on. It's a little bit heavier than water. It's still running, but it dropped. It's not a gel. It's clearly not a gel, but it does feel when you put it on a little heavier than water. Although when I rub it in, it is, I don't know if you'll be able to see that, separating on the back of my hand like water would. It dries instantly on my finger though. I don't smell anything. I smell absolutely nothing. Okay, we'll see what that does to the back of my hand. Maybe I will give it a shot in those muggy days of summer. Although pretty much every day's turned into a muggy day of summer for me. Okay, next out we have La Roche-Posay 60 Body and Face Broad Spectrum SPF 60 Anthelios. I'm going with that. Anthelios Melt-In Milk Sunscreen. That sounds good. A 60 is nice for when you're really going to be out there in the sun. Why you'll love it. The cardinal rule of skincare is wear sunscreen every day. True story. And having La Roche-Posay's SPF 60 on hand makes following it a breeze. The lotion feels more like a sophisticated moisturizer and less beach in a bottle. Its high SPF value is ideal. There's no greasy residue, no chalkiness, and no excessive rubbing. On no makeup days, it will leave your complexion looking fresh and hydrated. So the question is it chemical or physical? It is $36.99 for 150 ml, and we got 15, so we got 1/10. So this is about $3.70. I just had to take a pause for my own personal summer, and I just realized that my drink has been sitting back here behind me, hopefully behind my head this whole time. Back to trying to work out if this is chemical or physical. It's chemical, so I'm gonna leave it sealed and pass it along. I try, I won't say I don't. I really try not to use chemical sunscreens on my face, and since I've started using the City Beauty one, which I love, and it's not chemical, it really makes it easier for me to choose. But this has avobenzene, homosalate, octisalate, and octocrylene in it as its sunscreen. Oh, it's not sealed, so I wouldn't pass it on anyway. So I'll go ahead and show it to you guys just a little bit on the back of my hand. It's just white. In theory, it shouldn't be chalky at all because it's chemical. Oh, and by the way, the Avant, I don't know if you can tell around it, just absorbed right in. Oh, and so did this. On this hand, this essence that we used, this hand with the essence on it feels better, I'm just saying, than this hand with the Avant on it. It feels more moisturized, softer, it's glowier. Can you guys tell? This is the one with the essence and this is the one with the Avant moisturizer. This one is softer and glowier. Just saying. I have to tell you, it smells like sunscreen. It smells like, didn't they brag about not smelling like you were at the beach? I feel like it left me with a little bit, not a white cast, but yeah, a little white. I know. That's a very difficult thing to measure on the back of my hand, but I think it did. Okay, I'm gonna wipe that off. I like a lot of the La Roche-Posay products, but I have just been doing a lot of reading about chemical versus mineral sunscreens, and I don't think I'm gonna use chemical sunscreens anymore. I'm gonna try not to. That is a much easier decision for me to make because mineral sunscreens do sometimes have a little bit of a cast to them, but I am so, as I hold my paleness up, I am so pale anyway that it just doesn't affect me very much. I can imagine that if you have any skin tone that it becomes more difficult to use mineral sunscreens. So this might be perfect for you. Next out of the box, we have Ahava Dead Sea Water Mineral Hand Cream. This is a big tube of hand cream. It is 150 ml, 5.1 fluid ounces. I am sure that this is full-sized. The paperwork says it has a wowsy doodly-doo $36 value. That's a pricey hand cream. Ahava Mineral Hand Cream, Cactus and Pink Pepper. Why you'll love it. A 20-second wash will keep your hands clean, and a 5-second massage with Ahava Mineral Hand Cream, Cactus and Pink Pepper right after will keep them silky. I thought they were saying this was a hand wash, and I'm like, did I read that wrong? No, it's a hand cream. The lotion feels light on the skin, but is infused with lots of hydrating ingredients, minerals from the Dead Sea, glycerin, and smoothing witch hazel. After rubbing in a small dollop, skin feels soft, never the least bit sticky. Oh, it's very thick. That's nice. Can you guys tell how thick it is? It's really thick. Oh, I hope that comes across how thick and creamy that is. That's just really nice. Oh, it's strongly scented. If you are scent sensitive, do not recommend. I do like it though. I think I probably used enough for 3 of my closest friends and I have rubbed it in. I suspect I used way too much. The back of my hands are silky and soft and nice. They look and feel fantastic. They smell nice. I probably wouldn't repurchase it, but I will use it because I use a lot of hand cream and it's nice enough to use. I just don't think if I went out there with all of the choices in the world, I would choose this one. But it's really nice. And my hand does look very soft and not shiny. What's a better word? Glowy. Very soft and glowy. Okay, next out, because we still have, well, 4 more things. I'm going to call it 3 more items because 2 of these are shampoo and conditioner. Latin Us Beauty, so I guess that's what LU stands for, Latin Us. And we have the For Hard to Manage Curly, Thick, or Thin Frizzy Hair. It's Control Shampoo and Conditioner. I should put them in the other hands because shampoo and conditioner. So this must be a bonus product because it's not in the book. We have 1 fluid ounce of each, and the shampoo says Gold Standard for Frizz Control, Impossible Keratin. Our proprietary complex of vegan keratin and collagen and silk amino acids provide strength and flexibility to every hair strand at a microscopic level, resulting in healthier, shinier locks. And the conditioner says Miru Miru butter. Originally from the Amazon, this rare seed locks moisture in and softens the hair for game-changing manageability and control. And the conditioner says sulfate-free, colorant-free, paraben-free, cruelty-free, and phthalate-free. So this was apparently just the bonus products. That's fun. Next we have another hair product. I am not going to open this. I have a little bit left in mine and I have so many hair things that I want to try. I've been using the LolaVie and loving it, so I will pass this along, but I have used it and I have loved it. I bought the full line of the Verb Ghost hair. I bought the shampoo, the conditioner, the ghost oil. I think there was a dry shampoo. I had it all at one point and I liked it very much, but I don't have a lot of loyalty when it comes to hair products. I always like to try the newest, most fandangled thing there is out there, which is why I'm trying the LolaVie now. Although I will tell you, I will probably repurchase the LolaVie. This says the Verb Ghost Oil. Why, you'll love it. The best kinds of hair products are the ones anyone, regardless of hair texture, can use, and Verb's beloved Ghost Oil fits the bill, which has got to be true because I have fine, thin hair and it's an oil. Granted, I used very little and from mid-shaft down only. It lives up to its name, feeling so weightless in your hair that as you run it through, it's almost like nothing is there. But then, as you work it in, you see your hair getting smoother, shinier, without the heaviness many oils leave behind. And this has an $18 value. It is 2 ounces. And that is full-sized. Last out of our box, we have Apto Skincare Orange Blossom Lip Balm with coconut oil. Well, I like the sound of that because I love orange blossom, and you guys know I love me some coconut. Apto Skincare Orange Blossom Lip Balm. Why, you'll love it. There are so many lip balms, lip masks, and lip oils to choose from, but Apto's has a permanent place on our editors' vanities. The formula inside this squeezable tube is incredibly rich with a fresh citrus scent, and it drenches the lips in hydration. It is also made with skin-nourishing, antioxidant-rich ingredients like coconut and soybean oils, and it is only $5. That is awesome. $5 for 10 ml, and you can get it at Target. Wow. So, just for the record, $5, you can get this at Target if you love it. Let's see if it really smells really citrusy. We'll go ahead and put it on over my lips. This is my last video, so we'll give it a shot. This is the tube. Let's see how thick it is. It's coming out at a very, oh, it's white. I thought it was going to be one of the clear ones. That's interesting. I have on very shimmery lips. I have no idea why I thought this would work. It melts right into your lips almost immediately. Oh, citrusy. I can taste it already. That is so nice. I do like that a lot. I put it over a real glitter bomb of a lipstick, but I could instantly feel with the warmth of my lips, it just started melting in. The citrus came through. It smells delightfully citrus. Oh, I wonder if it has grapefruit oil. Hold on. Okay. Never be panic. It's fine. You know, you smear something on your lips and then you think, oh no. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. Okay. So that is also in our Allure box, and that fills out the month. So that is the month of May. I think it's another good month. With Allure, we had so many not my favorite months that even when we just have a good month like this, I'm really happy with it. We more than got our value. If you like the hand lotion alone, it has a $36 value. So we have the Ahava hand cream, this not grapefruit oil, or at least nothing that I read on here said grapefruit. Apto lip balm. Is that gonna show? Okay, I think that's showing. The two they didn't tell us about, shampoo and conditioner from LU, which is Latin Us Beauty. We have a Verb Ghost Oil. I have used it. I have really enjoyed it. The Avant Serum. Ooh, juggling it there. The SPF 60 Chemical Sunscreen. And this, which was really impressive, what did I say it was? Pyeongchang Yule. It's an essence toner. It made the back of the hand that I put it on softer than the back of the hand that I put the Avant on. So that was the Allure box, $23 for May. I'm honestly not sure. You might be able to go on Amazon still and get it. I'm not sure how deep into the month they sell them. Okay, let me know what you think below, how they do this month. I like it. It's definitely got the value there. It's just a matter of if it's products you'll use. I will use the hand cream. I will absolutely try this toner. I will use the lips. Even though this talked about a little bit of keratin and curly or frizzy hair, you know what? In the summer, you probably can tell right here. Under here, my hair tries to get frizzy. So I will probably try this. I like this, but I will pass it along because I have so many hair products going right now. I will see if anybody in my family wants the sunscreen, only because it's chemical and I'm trying to use physical. And there's nothing wrong with this Avant. I very well might try it. On its own, it felt fine on the back of my hand. Up against this, I think this won. But still, $125? Yeah, I'm gonna try it and see what it does for my face. Thank you so much for coming by. Again, I will put my affiliate Amazon link. I'm gonna start throwing some affiliate links down there, a few of my favorite things. I am not going to just link things for the sake of linking them. If I put an Amazon affiliate link, know that it is a product that I have purchased. I have probably used the heck out of and loved. I'm not going to just start posting random Amazon affiliate links. I have purchased my Allure through Amazon for, wow, I bet at least a couple years now, because I always used to get my boxes before the Allure boxes actually came out. So it gave me a little jump with the videos. Thank you so much for coming by, guys. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out. And I'll talk to you soon, I hope. Bye, guys.